Good morning, folks. Jonny Bonzo here. Today is my birthday. Got a couple hours before I go home and spend the day with the wife. I'm out here searching for a 5-pound birthday beast. Just picked this one up. Not even close to what I'm looking for. Folks, stay tuned. I'm going to grab one. Still no fiver. She's out here. We'll get her. Happy birthday to you. This spot is absolutely producing once again. Another double up. Two nice bass, probably 2 1/4, 1 3/4. Gorgeous fish. Happy birthday to Bonzo. Hell yeah. Boom. Boom.
Can you take a photo?
Sure, absolutely.
So nice.
Not bad, huh?
So big.
All right.
Yeah.
I do YouTube.
Oh, really?
Really?
Oh my gosh.
Here, let me. Take one.
Oh, nice. Like
Anyone?
purple.
Purple?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's my YouTube channel on there.
Yeah. I subscribe to you.
Perfect. I would love that.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Have a great day.
You too.
Nice fish. Wow. Look at this absolute bomb I just caught. Folks, she weighed 4 pounds on the nose. I would have swore on a stack of Bibles it was over 5, but maybe my scale's broken. Hey, if you have any recommendations of a fantastic scale, please let me know. I am looking. Just pull another one out of here on the wacky rig. It truly is amazing how this spot keeps producing and producing and producing. It by far is my favorite honey hole at the moment. I love it. Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
Me too. Folks, the fat boys are back. Look at these beautiful fish. Oh, gorgeous. Look at how dark this gorgeous mama is. Wow, pretty fish. Pretty good. It's like the American Top 40, the hits keep coming. Oh, shit. They absolutely cannot resist the birthday bait, folks. What a smasher. Oh, Lord have mercy. There we go, folks. Fish of the day. Not a fiver, but good looking bass right there. Good looking bass. I just saw a tanker swim by. Couldn't get it to bite, but she picked it up. I looked down, I saw this thing yawning. Threw a worm right in its mouth. All right, folks, just wrapping up an unbelievable birthday morning. Caught a ton of fish. Heading home to spend the rest of the day with my wife, Kristen. Folks, if you enjoyed yourself this morning half as much as me, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you could, wish the Bonzo a happy birthday. Till next time, folks.